What is the mystery email framework? The mystery email framework is an unreasonable way to deal with making and maintaining a web-based business, explicitly the opportunity way of life plan of action, that permits you to fabricate a supportable and productive long-haul business that gives you the opportunity, tomfoolery, and experience. We accomplish this by making a business machine that works for you all day, every day, where your sole responsibility is to regulate the framework, not to make items, administrations where you need to pursue new clients or convey to them. Furthermore, accordingly, this let looses you to live and partake in your life while the business works for you. This is the mystery email framework. The very secret email framework that people all around the world are presently utilizing to create leads, possibilities, deals, and clients for everything from advanced items, actual items, low-ticket deals, to high-ticket deals, to finish workshops and book up online classes, to selling books, wholesome enhancements, and in any event, counseling administrations. Furthermore, thus creating more income than they at any point expected, all while done depending on paid and generally costly and exceptionally erratic promoting that is rarely supportable, which is making the vast majority of these web-based entrepreneurs completely change to the better approach for developing their web-based income on autopilot, working a couple of hours daily utilizing the force of email promoting these methodologies to make a 7-figure online business in only 8 months. Devon wound up squandering such a lot of cash on futile lucrative projects that conveyed no outcomes, that 2 or after 3 years, he needed to declare financial insolvency. By then, trying to earn a living wage, Devon began filling in as a taekwondo educator and vehicle sales rep. By far most of the cash he made through those 2 positions, he put resources into different business open doors, trusting that he'll ultimately get a break and turn into an effective business visionary. In any case, he kept endlessly coming up short. In any case, notwithstanding the entirety of his disappointments, Devon didn't stop and at last stumbled upon the opportunity of a lifetime. In the wake of showing him what I do and how I do things, he began building a computerized email business that presently makes a numerous 6 figures each and every year.